Hey everyone, Resource here, and I'm going to be doing an impression video. I can't really do much impressions, but they're all worth a try. So first I'm going to be doing Donald Duck. Hello, Donald Duck. Look how fat that pigeon is. It doesn't look fat in the camera, but yeah, damn, that's fat. Okay, but anyways, guys, I just did Donald Duck. There. And next is Mickey Mouse. Oh boy, you found my Mickey Mouse Clubhouse. I can't really do Goofy, but I can do his laugh. So, Goofy. Meet what? I'm not with it. Some people say we let children. Oh well, that doesn't sound right. Some people say we let children in the good way. I can do Old SpongeBob. I'm ready for my promotion. I'm ready. Yeah. I can kind of do the SpongeBob laugh. Sort of. Not really though. Who else can I do? Yeah. SpongeBob Snail. Gary. Meow. 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 Okay. I don't really know how to do. I can sort of do like a monster thing. Something like that. But no, I can also do like weird noises. I'll do weird noises as well. Oh look, guys, look! I have a dent in my foot. Boink! Oh, it's gone back to nothing. Dent, boink, dent. I'm also gonna do that thing, but it's hard to do. Look, guys. I can put my hand in it with a single thumb. Yeah, I don't know. I'm sure most people could do this. I've put the hand straight and then the rest going up. So I can't put my hand straight. Really, so I can do that. I'm double jointed, so I can also do that. Have my foot backwards. Okay, but anyways, guys, thanks for watching. Please leave a like, please subscribe, please share, please comment. Bye bye.